Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make country-style baked beans. Hey, Chef Kate here, and I'm so excited to show you guys my recipe for baked beans. It is loaded with goodness, everything from bacon to hamburger, spices to peppers and onions. It's so good. To start, we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to start with pre-chopping everything, starting with those 2 bell peppers. You choose the color that you like. To make the chopping quick and easy, we're going to cut that bell pepper in half. Then we're going to carve off the stem and those seeds. What we have left is the flesh, so what we're going to do is slice this and cube it. Make sure you do this to both of those peppers. When you're done dicing up your peppers, you're going to dice up 1 yellow or white onion. Then pat those onion tears dry and set those vegetables aside because we're going to use those in a little bit. Then you're going to slice up 1 pound of bacon. Or you can slice up as much bacon as you want because you can never have too much bacon. Or can you? Who cares? You do you. Then head over to the stove and heat up a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once heated, add in 1 pound of ground beef. Then break it up a little bit. Then add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and cook that until it is brown. Be sure to stir and break it up as it cooks. And that usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes for that step. And by browned, I mean really brown that beef because it's going to give extra flavor and dimension to your dish. Remove that ground beef from the pan and put it in a large bowl. Add to that pound the cut up bacon and cook it over medium-high heat until it crisps up, which will take about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the bacon is cooked, put half of it into that large bowl. Then take out the other half and set it aside. Then make sure to leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bacon drippings in the pan. Then we're going to take our diced onions and peppers from earlier and add them right into that skillet. Saute them for about 5 minutes over that medium heat until they soften up. Once those veggies have browned and softened, we're going to add them into that big bowl. Up next, we're going to add 4 16-ounce cans of drained beans to the bowl. Today I'm using black beans, navy beans, butter beans, and pinto beans. But you're the chef at your house, so choose whatever kinds of beans you want. Just don't use jelly beans. And if you're only going to use one type of bean, use pinto beans. Give your mixture a great big stir. And then add in 2 cups of ketchup, 1/4 a cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or whatever that word is, 2 tablespoons of ground mustard, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for the beans. And 1 shot of apple cider vinegar for me and you. Like and subscribe. Then stir really well to make sure everything is nice and combined. Next, we need to get a baking dish, either 9 by 13 or something equivalent to the size. And what you want to do is give that a good grease. And pour the soon-to-be baked bean mixture into that dish. Top with that remaining bacon. Top it with either foil or a lid. Then bake those beans in your preheated oven for 2 hours. Once that's finished baking, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full written recipe in the video description below, and you can also get the slow cooker instructions as well. Then remember to check out our website, thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.